Good morning, guys. It's now Friday and we're waiting for me, actually. Waiting for me to get some food myself and to get up from my bed and then to go out to Flora, watch something that's there that I will show you guys. And it should be pretty amazing. I don't know what else we're doing today. We might go on the mountains today. If not, at least we did something today and hopefully we'll do something tomorrow and Sunday as well. But I'll do something, I don't know, but not called anything, while we're getting there. Some clips of mountains stuff until we get there. So yeah, you'll get some music and some clips right now. There's a lot of nice things there, but we're going back home. We've done everything we were supposed to do. Good morning, guys. It's now Sunday and I haven't done anything this weekend. Or we've done something, as I should just show you, but nothing more than that. We were in the town, but there were copyrighted music everywhere, so I couldn't do anything. Only thing I could do is show you like the stuff around me. So that's what I did. And then I went on a trip to the beach. I didn't record myself talking there because I don't know why. I was too fascinated about the sunset, yeah. And then yesterday we went on to the mountain again, went to the top. I couldn't talk at all because it was so windy on the top of the mountain and it was sheep and cows everywhere, which meant the dog would try and chase them because it's a husky and she chases a lot. So I don't know what to do about that. It's Monday tomorrow, we're going to town probably, and yeah, these vacation videos won't be that good. It'll be better when I get home again and when I get to camp home, because we just do random shit every time instead of what I'm doing now, which is sitting at my ass in the couch. So yeah, I say so yeah a lot. I can see it when I'm editing. I'm saying so yeah even before or after a sentence, which is horrible, so I usually cut it out, but yeah, and I said but yeah a lot, and I have a mosquito bite on my arm. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I come for you, that was. But yeah, seriously, I don't know what I'm going to do the next days. Tomorrow is town, Tuesday it's raining, Wednesday it's gonna be nice, and Thursday it's gonna be nice, but the video has to be up on Thursday, so I have to do something. I don't know. Next Tuesday at least will be from us traveling home again on the bus, which will be a good video, but for Thursday I don't know, and for today, or for me it's in 2 days, but still I don't know. If I find more to do, you'll see after this. If I don't find more to do, well, this was the video, so I'm gonna do my outro now, and if this is the end of the video, you will see it. If not, it will be gone right now. So, thank you guys for watching. Click the like button if you liked, and subscribe if you want to see more, and hit that notification bell to get more what? Thank you guys for watching. Click the like button if you liked, and subscribe if you want to see more, and remember to hit that notification bell so you'll get a notification every single time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video, so peace. It's kind of weird saying peace at the end of the video instead of adios, but yeah.